Hello students. Today we are going to learn an important concept of mathematics called simple interest. This concept is widely used in banking, loans, savings, and financial calculations. Understanding simple interest helps us know how money grows over time or how extra money is paid when we borrow money. In this lesson we will understand the meaning of simple interest, important terms, the formula, and solve examples. Simple interest is the method used to calculate the extra money earned or paid on a certain amount of money over a period of time. When someone borrows money from a bank or another person, they usually have to pay additional money for using that money. This additional money is called interest. In simple interest, the interest is calculated only on the original amount of money and not on previously added interest. To understand simple interest clearly, we must first understand some important terms. These terms are principal, rate of interest, time, interest, and amount. Principal is the original amount of money that is borrowed or invested. For example, if a person borrows 2000 rupees from a bank, then 2000 rupees is called the principal. Principal is represented by the letter P. Rate of interest tells us how much interest is charged on the principal every year. It is expressed as a percentage. For example, 5% per year means 5% of the principal is charged every year. Rate of interest is represented by the letter R. Time is the period for which the money is borrowed or invested. Time is usually measured in years. Sometimes time may be given in months or days and must be converted into years. Time is represented by the letter T. Interest is the extra money paid by the borrower to the lender for using the money. Amount is the total money obtained after adding the interest to the principal. The formula of simple interest is simple interest equals P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. Here P means principal, R means rate of interest per year, and T means time in years. After finding simple interest, we calculate the amount. Amount equals principal plus simple interest. In symbols we say A equals P plus SI. Rate of interest is usually given per year. Time must be expressed in years. Months are converted into years by dividing by 12. Days are converted into years by dividing by 365. Find the simple interest. Simple interest equals P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. 2000 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 100 equals 300. So the simple interest is 300 rupees. Students, today we learned the concept of simple interest. We studied principal, rate of interest, time, interest, amount, and the formula. Practice more questions to strengthen your understanding. Thank you, students. Jai Hind.